Hi guys, welcome to the SLA reporting video. So this demonstrator is probably one of the most important parts of the SLA project because it shows the complete summary of how your service has performed in the last reporting interval. In this demonstrator we produce a service summary report and it just produces a number of pages that shows all the pertinent performance metrics for your service during the last reporting period. So let's see how this is done, and to begin with what we're going to do is create a new service and we're going to generate a report then based on that service. So we're just going to call this one the accounting service or system, and we'll just select the gold SLA and we'll just take all the default values. We'll select the gold SLA, change the quantity of virtual machines to 2, and we'll just see that getting provisioned. Now once that has been provisioned, let's just look across and we can see that all of the SLA terms for it are currently being met. And that's first of all at the service level and also for the VMs. So let's leave it running for 1 week and we're going to go back in and see what that report is going to look like. So we can see there's been no violations or warnings in that period. So we go into the report tab and we select the dates from which we want to see our report. And we just click generate, and then this will generate a PDF file which we can download and view on our local machine. Now we just open that PDF. And we're just going to take a brief look through some of the detail that we see in the service summary report. So you've got at a high level the summary, and then it goes through at a service level each of the SLA terms and what their target is and whether they've been met or not. Then it does that for each virtual machine. We can see the availability, we can see mean time to failure, we can see the mean time to violation, mean time to recovery. Now because no violations happened in that period, all of those metrics are coming back looking pretty good. We can see the host CPU usage, and we can see the virtual machine CPU usage. We can see the violations and warnings history. There's been no acceptable or punishable violations either. Now what we're going to do is generate some violations and we'll rerun that report just to see a little bit more interesting detail in the report. So what we're going to do is pause this virtual machine on one of the host machines. So just going into VM1 and pausing it will generate a violation because that machine is now no longer available on the network. So we can log back in as a customer and we see that violation has happened. We can see the various terms that are now being violated in our summary view and also in our history view. Now let's see what that looks like in our report. So again, we're just going to select our dates. We're going to generate our PDF report and download that again to our desktop. And we'll open that up and take a look. So this will show those violations being reflected in our report. So as we scroll through this, we can see the high level SLA terms being written out, so as if this was a legal document or a binding contract between the two parties. So now we can see the availability has dipped for the 1st of September. Previously that was 100% for all of the virtual for the whole service. So we can see again this was at 0 the last time, so we can see there is now because there's been a violation, there's now a mean time between violations that has been recorded. Host CPU usage and memory usage are unchanged. We can see the service violations history. So we can see a violation has happened. We can also see some warnings have happened. So that's basically it, guys. To see more, just check us out online. Thank you.